Hello, this is a session on surface area and volumes. We have been taking cubes and cuboid surface area. We have learned the formula for calculating the surface area of cubes and cuboids. Herein, I'll be taking a few application questions of the same formula. Let me write down under the first question. It will not take more than a minute or two. I'll be using from short forms of the length of a room is 2 times its height and its breadth is 1.5 times. That means 1.5 times its height. The cost of painting, I say, it's whitewashing, painting the walls at a rate of rupees 1.60 per square meter is rupees 179.20. Find the I think I didn't write it properly and it just went beyond the limit. I write it here. Rupees 179.20. We have to find the cost of tiling the floor only. Floor at a rate of rupees 6.75 per square meter. To find out the cost of tiling the floor, we'll need to have the dimensions of the room, and that can be calculated from the first information. It says the length. Let us take the height of the room to be h. Let us take height to be h meters. So in that case, as per the question, the length is twice, so it is 2h meters, and then the breadth. The breadth is 3.5 times of h, so it is 3 by 2h. When we are painting the walls, we are not taking the roof and the floor. So the area for the 4 walls will be the lateral surface area. The lateral surface area is given by 2LH plus 2BH. So what's the lateral surface area? 2 into L into H plus 2 into B into H. So that's giving us 4h square and 3h square, that's 7h square. This area painted at a rate of 1.6 gives 179.20. So let us find out h from this. So it will be root over of 179.20 by 7 into 1.6. There, let me calculate quickly. So h is coming down to 4 meters. If h is 4 meters, now this is 4, so this will be 2 into 4, that's 8, and this is 6 meters. We have to find the cost of tiling the floor. The floor is, the area of the floor will be length into breadth. So it is 8 centimeter is length, breadth is 6 meters. So this at a rate of 6.75 per square meter. So if we calculate this, I am getting it as rupees 324. So the total cost required for tiling the floor is 324. Let's move on and take another one. For that, again, I'll write the question. The sum of length, breadth and depth of a cuboid is 19 centimeter and the length of its diagonal is 11 centimeter. Find the surface area of the cuboid. So what are we informed about? Let's note down that it says length plus breadth plus depth is taken to be height is 19 centimeter. It also says the length of the diagonal. We find the length of the diagonal of a cuboid is L square plus B square plus H square. It's been quite long. This is 11 centimeter. Now we have to solve these two equations. Now squaring both sides for this equation, I'll be getting L square plus H square, B square plus H square to be 121. And this maybe is our first equation. Now move on to the second one to get, we can again square both sides. Okay? Squaring both sides of this equation will give us L plus B plus H whole square, and this side it is 19 square. 19 square is 361. Okay, or I can write it as 19 square on this tape and can then make it, yeah. So if I expand this, it becomes L square plus B square plus H square. This is expanding on the identity A plus B plus C whole square, plus 2 LB plus BH plus LH, and 19 square is 361. We substitute L square plus B square plus H square from this formula, which is given to be 121. So then now our equation would look like 121 is equal to 121. Now if you look into this is actually the formula for the surface area of a cuboid. So I directly write that as surface area is given to be 361. So surface area is calculated as 361 minus 121. I think that's giving me some 240, and that will be in square centimeter. Okay, let's now move on to another question here. I'll write the questions here. It says a room is half as long again as it is broad. Right? The cost of carpenting the room at rupees simply can write it be a little one below, yeah, at rupees 3.25 per square meter is rupees 175.50, and the cost of papering the wall is being papered, the walls, at a rate of rupees 1.40 per square meter is some 240.80. They're all in decimals if you notice. Now it says if one door and two windows occupy 8 square meters, find the dimensions of the room. Find the dimensions of the room. Okay, got it in. Let us just get down to solve this problem. The room is half as long as it is broad. So let's take the breadth to be a base, which is x centimeter. I write breadth to be x meters. Everything is in meters, so it is meter. The length will then be x by 2 meters. That's because it says it's half as long as it is broad. Oh, there is a spelling mistake here, kindly ignore it. Now what is the area of the room then? It is half as long as it. Half. Oh, that means it will be x plus x by 2. Yes. So that makes it 3 by 2. Okay. 3 by 2 x meters. Carpenting the room. And what is the area of the room? So it is 3 by 2x into x. This carpented at a rate of 3.25, that takes 175.50. So we have to solve this to find x. So I'm getting 3 by 2 x square into 3.25 is equal to 175.50. So x square I'm getting as, give me a minute, 175.50 into 2 by 3.25 into 3, that's giving me 36. If x square is 36, x will be 6 meters. So breadth is now calculated as 6 meters and length will then by 3 by 2 into 6, that is 9 meters, right? Now it says and the cost of papering the wall. We have to find the dimensions of the roof. That means we need to find the more about the height. We already got length and breadth, right? Okay, so do so. What does it say? It says the cost of papering the wall. So papering the wall means the area of the lateral surface area of the cuboid. So that's 2 LH plus 2 BH. So what I'm getting is LH into BH. Okay, wait. Let us keep H as height as it is. So it becomes 2 into 9 into H plus 2 into 6 into H. So that's 18 H plus 12 H. That's 30 H. Okay. Now this 30H is the area of the 4 walls. This at a rate of 140 per square meter costs around 240.80. So let's again calculate H from this equation. I will do it. It is 30 into 1.4, that's giving you 42. It's 240.80 divided by 42. It's giving some. H is, oh, I made a mistake, I think here, 838. Oh, I made a mistake because this papering of the wall will obviously not include this 8 meters square, which is being covered by 1 door and 2 windows. So that has to be subtracted from 30H. that is the total area, minus 8 meters square. That's now when multiplied with 1.40 gives 240.80. Let me calculate this. So it becomes 338 minus 8 is equal to 240.8 by 1.4. That's giving me 172. So now 1730H is 172 plus 8, so it is 180. So H becomes 6. So the dimensions of the room will now be L is 9, breadth is 6, and height is also 6 meters. Hope you followed. Thank you.